Today we will have a closer look at product layout design concept for Nestlé Rye Coffee Limited Edition. We used INKSCAPE for the illustration. We believe this the best way to paint a picture of South Africa's rich history, beautiful landmarks and developments. We then moved on to Blender to prepare a 3D model of our product render. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel and spread the word. Disclaimer: by the time we published this video, the layout was only sent out for a possible winning limited edition design.